Hello, welcome back to the new video today. Today I'm in Blackpool at the old police station. We're checking out the demolition, what is happening. It's a Monday, it's about 2 o'clock now. And they've got lots of machinery going on. Just going to stay here for a bit and see what's going on. Quite interesting. We've got a crusher crushing the rocks, got a couple of excavators working, moving materials about. Just go and carry on recording, just so it's interesting happens. That front loader is just moving the hardcore, but that grinder is making ready to be collected. There's be a wagon coming in soon to take the rest of the waste away. What that machine is making hardcore for like roads and building sites. Everything's being recycled on this building site, on this demolition site. And the trees are still there. To show you, trees, they kept the trees there. Quite amazing, they kept them too. It's a lovely day today it is. Let's zoom out to show you full the site, how it's looking like up to now. Zoom back in, we can see what's happening too. And the seagulls are going mad. Somebody must have a drone up. But it's feeding time for them. Look over there, where them bloody things are. Must be feeding time. Hey, another wagon turned up. For some more hardcore. Okay, I think we'll spend most of today filming on the bridge today. We've got this excavator pulled over to fill this up. I don't know if you can see it. We're going to watch this excavator fill up this truck now with this hardcore. Are you counting how many buckets that you're going to fill this truck up? We'll soon find out. Okay, that what else is happening on a demolition site today. Let's go back to this. Just going to carry on filming this for you today. Hopefully the battery doesn't run out on this camera. I have got my battery charger with me to charge up the camera in case it goes dead. Got plenty of life in it up to now. Just see this wagon leave the site when it gets filled up. There's a lot of recycling going on this site too. Here comes another wagon. One comes in and one ready to leave. You see it a second. This one's going. And there's another one coming in. One goes and one comes in. And it carries on. And this loader is bringing fresh material in to put on this wagon. Okay, this is turn around, you can get loading. That's the second wagon going out. Of all the material they're moving from the site. And there's a third wagon coming in. Let's just count 1, 2, 3. There's no one turned up, viewers. Check what else is happening on the site today too.